I signed up because I wanted to just continue my healthy lifestyle within the community, and also to see the community grow and thrive with the Wellness Challenge.
I need to be active for my kids to show them that exercising is healthy and we need to eat healthy and we need to be better.
Because I worked out at school.
I need to strengthen myself.
I need to look after myself, especially at my age.
Because I want to live long and prosper.
For wellness, for improving our eating.
Because I want to get well, to be part of the community. I want to meet other people. I like being social.
I want to get fit and have fun.
Push-ups there, and that's one round, and then you go back. Yes, exactly, yeah. So all of them's one round. Yeah. Yes. Remember, don't have to do anything. It's just recommended, right? All right, you guys. We're going to get started here. These guys have already started. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. So far, we've done a lot. I hung out at JR yesterday, was handing out shaker cups sponsored by Supplement World and a free protein shake at any of the locations. A lot of the challengers came by, said what's up, I got to meet them, handing out those. We did some training sessions. We did a group training session. We had just shy of 50 people show up. That was absolutely amazing. Led by Mike Rogers, Emma Smallwood, and Laura. We had like young children to even, elders just showing up. Again, scaling workouts to suit and fit everyone's, needs. Today, obviously doing a community walk here, which is great. Getting to see LaRange a little bit, and then training sessions all day, every hour on the hour. And then we have another group workout, hopefully pack the house again, at least 50 people, that'll be nice, at 5 to 6, and then from 6:30 to 7:30, we got a group workout, group yoga, led by Carol Ann. I'm looking forward to it.
Take a moment to set an intention for your practice today.
You start to move with intention, you start to build that mind to muscle connection. The gym, exercising, even body weight exercises, dumbbell, whatever you're doing, becomes that much more interesting.
Thank you for coming to my yoga class this evening. Namaste.
And then tomorrow morning, bright and early, 6 a.m., we're doing a trail cleanup walk with the group. Led by Matthew Maurer. It's just a totally different environment, and there's so much to look at, so much to take in. Yeah, it's a game changer. So like using your body for what it's supposed to be used for, getting moving, right? Movement is medicine. Genuinely, I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, I want to give a huge thank you to, the Lacron Indian Band and Josie Roski. She is 100% the reason that I'm here right now and how this got started. So, I need to give a huge thanks to that and the Lacron Indian Band for, getting behind it and sponsoring this. This has only been week 1 here, but thank you guys so much for your participation, your support, your engagement, kicking off the Facebook group, getting everyone involved, making it inclusive, and just making this such a powerful and meaningful initiative to bring into the communities.
This is awesome. This is the first time I get to experience anything like this, like with the community-based challenge.
It's a lot of encouragement, and it's nice to see.
So again, only week 1, we got 3 more weeks ahead of us and the rest of our life, let's be honest with that. But for the remainder of the challenge up until June 4th, we got 3 more weeks ahead of us, and I'm looking forward to building on this momentum, as we wrap up week 1 here. So thanks a lot, you guys.